Here it is, the ABI Westwood Lodge in all of its glory. Before I take you in and show you in a bit more detail, I want to show you this 2-car drive that we have created for this pitch. And listen to this beautiful little river flowing on the side. We have also added lockable under deck storage. So being less than 10 minutes away from the beach, you can store paddle boards, kayaks, anything you want in order to get you outdoors. And let's talk dimensions about the decking. We have got 7-foot front decking. You've got 22 foot wide. And then we have got 8 foot running along the whole side of the holiday home. So we're talking over 47 feet. So let's take you inside. You're greeted with this hallway with coat hooks, a mirror, and so much space just to take off your shoes before you enter this kitchen dining area. We have gone fully residential spec with this holiday home. So what that means, the walls, the insulation is thicker, it's warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. You have got a pull-out sofa bed. So this holiday home sleeps up to 6 people. You've got your sliding doors on the front. You've got this stunning electric fireplace. And then into the kitchen, you have got everything. You've got your wine cooler, your oven and grill, built-in microwave. You've even got a dishwasher and washing machine. And we can't move into the back end before mentioning this dining table. Not only have you got 2 additional breakfast bar stools, check out that view from this 6-seater. So I'm going to show you the twin bedroom before showing you the master bedroom, because the master bedroom is unbelievable. When you come into this twin room, the first thing you see is this full-size wardrobe and drawers before seeing these 2 full-size 3-foot singles. And there's not many second bedrooms that have a full vanity area and chair like this one. And coming out, the first thing you have on your right is a full-size bathtub with an overhead shower, massive master bathroom with a Felix window. And on the way back, there's another window that just takes my eye, and look at that view. And here is one of the best master bedrooms you will find in a caravan lodge holiday home. Check out the size of this room. You have got a king size bed that lifts up, so you've got underbed storage. You've got 3 sets of wardrobe doors, 3 sets of wardrobe drawers before heading around the side and seeing more wardrobe space, as well as that stunning ensuite shower. So there you have it, this unbelievable ABI Westwood Lodge. If you want to come and view this holiday home or download a brochure, click the link below or give us a call on 01305 836 836.